Here are 3 simple methods to take a screenshot on the new iPhone 17 Pro.
Now, the first one, you can always do the simple, just tap the top volume button and as well as the power button on the side here at the same time, and it will take a screenshot like so. But the second way to actually do this is if we just search for shortcuts like so, just search for the Shortcuts app on your phone. It's pre-downloaded and on your phone by Apple. Click on plus in the top right hand corner, and from here, you just want to type in screenshot. And when you type in take screenshot, you just click on this option right here, where from here, you can just click on it and click on the done option, and it will actually be added to your shortcuts. But how you actually use this feature is you go to settings, scroll down a little bit, and you want to click on the action button option right here. Now, you just want to swipe over to the side until you see the option that is called screenshot. You just want to select shortcut, choose your shortcut, and from here you can choose take screenshot. And if we go back to our phone like so, if we just go on the side here and just click on the action button, it will actually take a screenshot like so. If you just hold on it for a quarter second, it takes a screenshot. And the final way is if we go to settings and just scroll down to touch, just scroll down a little bit, click on touch, or you can search for touch. Once you're actually on touch, you just want to actually scroll to the bottom here, click on the back tap option, which is at the very bottom of touch, and you can actually choose the double tap option here, and you can just turn on the accessibility shortcut such as a screenshot like here. Scroll down, click on screenshot, and if we go to the home screen and physically tap the back of our phone twice, just like so, it will actually take a screenshot like so. It's really convenient, just like this. That will actually just take a screenshot. You can see right here, this is my screenshot. And yeah, it's really easy. Those are 3 simple ways.